Hey guys, welcome to the page. Today I'm just going to be opening up my Berserker Ruroc helmet I received in the mail, do an initial unboxing and how I feel about it, a little review. Is little bit of a different style of a helmet than your normal MX helmets, a little more closed in the face part. Some people say they're a little bit warmer. It does look like they might be warmer. We'll see how they are. We're going to be going out for a ride this Saturday, which is actually tomorrow. So we'll be able to test that out in all aspects of trail riding, mud, conditions. It might rain tomorrow. It's not going to be the hottest, so we'll be able to see if it's going to be a hot helmet for, maybe winter riding or something. With that being said, let's start the unboxing. Cut the box open already. Ruroc. Comes nicely wrapped up in a bag. No scratches. No goggles. Well, welcome back. So, yeah, no goggles, guys. I contacted Ruroc. They're going to look into that. That being said, I didn't get very far into the helmet. That top screw that adjusts this visor is broken, missing. And it's broken off, the screw's broken off in the hole. So, that sucks. Already something broken on it. I haven't even put the damn thing on. It does fit pretty good. I slipped it on there after I turned the video off. Something not to make me happy. Fits good. I notice that visor's sitting crooked right now too. Fits good. It's got a tight fit on the helmet or on the head. Sealed up around the neck here. You can't really have much water splash up. Can barely reach in and scratch the face too. Might end up pulling that out. Looks good. Feels good. It's a pretty light helmet compared to the old style. It's what I had before. A little longer nose on them, right? So you got that space in here where the water, the wind, and the mud can fall down onto your face. We'll see how this one does. Definitely gonna need new goggles because I ain't putting those on again. Them are hard to see out of when the sun hits you. Other than that, it feels good, looks good. It's a light helmet. We'll see how she works when it's cold out. The insulation, everything looks good inside. A little bit of a different style for sure. With that being said, I did get, so with the Ruroc helmets, their lenses have on the outside, grab these ones, On the outside of the Ruroc lenses, there's a little tab on this edge on both sides that you can flip over, and then the lenses pop out. So they're magnetized in, so they're easily changeable. I got a spare set of lenses for goggles that didn't come. So here's the lenses. You're supposed to have a little bit more of a wider view angle than your normal conventional MX helmets and goggles. It's a little bit wider view. It's a pretty nice color. So those will look pretty good when they're in here, right? See, that's what it'll look like. Something like that. That looks pretty sick. So, guess I'm not going to be riding with it this weekend. Ruroc sent me a helmet with missing parts and broken parts. Yeah. So, don't know what to say yet. The packaging was alright. It was double box, it was wrapped up. Everything's wrapped separately. They have plastic film over these lenses on the inside. I feel like they should have a film on the outside as well. They do look like it's gonna be a wider view. The goggle opening in the helmet comes back a little further into the helmet than the normal MX ones, I think. So, yeah. And then, you know, to make all the videos that we all want to make, YouTube and, you know, anything you do and wearing a helmet, I did order the little GoPro mount from Ruroc, and it's built specifically for their helmets, and it goes on right at the very bottom of the chin there. So right off of your vents, so she'll stick on. It's just 3M tape. So stick on right there. And then your GoPro can be mounted down low for all those POV videos, POV shots, you know. We got up front and personal. So that'll be going on. But I'll be waiting to see what Ruroc's gonna do. Realistically, only the screw inside there that's broken off. I don't even know where I pushed them off to. Yeah, so it comes with a little rubber O-ring. And then you got your top of your screw part. I recommend that Ruroc changes these to not plastic. That's why it broke. You got a metal insert put in the helmet. Use a little brass screw or something. It'll last longer. There's the tip of the screw that broke, and there's still some of it in the helmet part. I'll see if I can get it out. Maybe I can swap a screw out from one of my previous helmets. But not very happy, you know, the money you spend on stuff like this should come in with no problems. If ands or buts about it. There's no way shipping, well, shipping shouldn't have affected that, being in the box. But that being said, also Ruroc, when you send these out, if Ruroc ever sees this video, maybe don't tighten the screw or don't put the screw in. I feel like it might have been over tight, creating it to crack, or it was too loose and the helmet jerked back and snapped that screw, or the visor jerked back and snapped that screw off. So, looking nice and close though. All the seams around the face The rubber gasket looks like it's almost glued on, and these helmets look like painted or something. I do have OCD, so I notice everything I fucking can. So if you look, let's see if the camera can pick it up. Right on the edge, right here, following it all the way up and around. See that little wrinkle right there? That wrinkle looks like a bubble under the wrap or bubble under the paint. And for the money we're spending on these helmets, the paint jobs should be seamless, or the wrap jobs, whatever's on them. There should be no imperfections whatsoever. We don't pay big bucks to have things half-assed. Yeah. Nice helmet though. I do really like the helmet. I can't wait to get out for a ride with it, but I definitely ain't riding this weekend since I have no goggles for it. So they can also, you can get a Bluetooth audio system that goes right in the bottom here. You take those two screws out, and then you can swap that out, put a Bluetooth audio system, and it kind of plays throughout the whole helmet. You'll hear the audio. Yeah, so with all that being said, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this gives you guys any kind of info you were wondering about a Ruroc helmet, potentially maybe looking at buying one, things to look out for when you receive them. You know, I'd recommend picking the one that you want for sure. Take your time shopping around. They have so many different styles and colors, prices, everything. So they make snowboarding ones, ATV ones. They're pretty unique helmets. They definitely probably make you stand out of the crowd. So I do wish it was a little brighter, but I do like the venom. They're the Toxin teeth. That's what this helmet is too. It is the Toxin. That's the name of it. So yeah. Once again, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, like, share button. Help a brother out. And you guys all have yourself safe, good riding days out there.